Chainsaw fails compilation. That's one muddy bar.
Alright, move, Mark. Pull! He needs to put more tension on it. It'll come over. Oh!
Ouch.
Shit.
Where was your helmet?
God damn. Right in the fucking head.
Call the mason, the construction guy. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Oh, it's moving! It's going to the house!
Where are you all running toward? Wow. And here's our resident jackass actor. Filming Jackass number 5. Or is it 7? Oh, I lost count.
How do you feel? You okay? I'm okay.
That's awesome!
I failed to see that. 3 boys went up to a tree, 2 came down. So stupid. Absolutely stupid. Ow. Let's watch that again in slow motion. Just took out his footing. Wow. Let's hope that chainsaw was off. Well, at least he got extra wood to repair that house or barn. Oh dear lord. You're gonna need insurance. And so will you.
Oops.
What color does a branch on live electric wires with almost 1,000,000 or 500,000 volts make? And swatch. Pow! Pow! Wow, wasn't that pretty? And this, my friend, is a man who graduated from the schools of ID.10T.
Yes. Yes.
Back screen?
Here comes the car.
Oh, this is
Look.
going to hurt. Ooh. Wow. There goes the pool. Government's going to be sending a bill for that,
Oh my god.
and that, and that.
No way. Here it is. Here it comes.
Physics didn't work right there at all. Please like, share, and subscribe. They meant that. Of course, they meant that. That was all according to plan. Why are you laughing? That's what you meant to do. Let's go down, and up, down again, and down a little more, and up, and away she goes.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's tipping!
Okay. Everything about this looks stupid.
Yep, I'm a professional. It's all good. I'm a professional. Don't worry about a goddamn thing.
Ta-na-na, ta-na-na-na, super neon green shirt guy. And they decide to try it again. Oh wow. If the stupid idea doesn't work the first time, let's try it again. And again.
Butters, calm down.
That hurts. Let's add that to the bill.
Keep going. Keep going. Here she comes. Here it comes. Ooh.
Mmm.
Who?
Mmm. That's
That
kind of
is
cool.
why I was filming. I knew some bullshit was gonna
And some
happen.
quick reactions too. Demolition tree.
Drive, hit it!
Smart. Like, share, and subscribe. Right before you have to speak to the owner after destroying the fence here. Wait for it. Wait for it. The rather uncomfortable talk with the owner.
Holy shit.
Please just blow it the other way.
Mm.
Oh my god. When trees fall the wrong way, it's not a good thing. Thankfully, I didn't take out the house.
Be grateful. Oops.
Holy fuck.
Wow. So
Блять, тяни,
wait.
тяни, 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 блядь! Тяни, 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 блядь!
Still didn't look any smarter in slow motion. Thanks for watching.